Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza at home with gas, updated. Preheat your gas oven to its highest setting and heat a stone or steel for at least 45 minutes. Stretch a thin 10-12-inch dough, top sparingly, and transfer quickly to the hot surface for the best blistered crust. Rotate once for even char. Make a high hydration dough for light, airy crust, and use strong flour for structure. Let dough ferment slowly in the fridge for at least 24 hours, then bring to room temperature before shaping. Use gentle pressing and avoid overworking to keep air pockets, and dust with semolina to prevent sticking when transferring to the stone. Cold fermentation improves flavor and digestibility, and a light brush of olive oil on the edge promotes brown. Less is more when topping. Heavy toppings create soggy centers and undercooked dough. Preheat toppings like cooked sausage or roasted vegetables so they don't cool the oven surface. Slide the pizza onto the stone, bake until edges puff and char, then rest for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing to allow cheese to set and steam to escape for a crisp bite. Finish with fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.